Ever blocked someone on Facebook by mistake or just want to reconnect? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unblock anyone on Facebook, whether you're using your mobile app or desktop PC, in under a minute. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we help you take full control of your Facebook account. Today's tutorial is super simple, but extremely useful. How to unblock someone so you can reconnect, message, or interact again without confusion or wasting time. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Facebook. Open the Facebook mobile app or log in via desktop browser. Step 2. Open menu. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu at the top right. On PC, click the downward arrow at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Go to Settings. Tap or click Settings and Privacy. Then, Settings. Step 4. Access blocking. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility section. Tap or click Blocking. Here you'll see the list of all people you've blocked. Before we get started, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook tricks, privacy hacks, and easy tutorials. Hit the bell icon to never miss a guide that actually makes your Facebook life easier. Let's get straight to it. Step 5. Unblock someone. Find the person you want to unblock. Tap or click Unblock. Confirm your action if prompted. Boom! They're unblocked. You can now message them, see their posts, or interact normally. Extra tips and benefits. Instantly restore communication with friends or family. Fix accidental blocks in just a few taps. Manage your block list efficiently. Keep your Facebook experience smooth and stress-free. Now you know exactly how to unblock someone on Facebook, whether on mobile or PC, safely and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, share it with friends who need to unblock someone. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more step-by-step Facebook